Hey everyone, it's time for another episode of Mr. B Cooks. Jumping right in, we're gonna be doing a baked herb or spiced chicken. Now, I've already preheated the oven to 375 degrees. And we're gonna be looking at a cook time of about 30 minutes, give or take. Let's talk about what I got in this bag. I've got about 3 pounds of just boneless, skinless chicken breasts. Also in the bag, which is not a marinade, although it may look like that. I'm just doing the old lazy shake and bake, if you will, to combine everything. I've got 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, and then I have 1 tablespoon of several spices, which we'll put into the description down below. And we're just trying to coat this. You could certainly mix that in a bowl and coat it that way if that's how you so choose. But we're looking at some pepper, some thyme, basil, things like that. And you can see that they just have a nice little coat on them. And I'm just going to lay them on. This is a aluminum foil with just some cooking spray sprayed on top. And I know that if you've seen any of my other videos, I typically pound down my chicken breast. I don't want to do that because I'm baking these. In fact, I actually brine these, and I'll put that brine recipe in. I did about 2.5 hours. You don't have to do that, but I'm trying to keep it flavorful because I'm baking it and I'm cooking it for about 30 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and pop this in the oven. And like I said, we'll see you in about 30 minutes. All right, y'all, it's been 30 minutes at 375. And if we take a peek, you can see that they're done, but I wanna brown them now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna flip this over to broil, and I'm gonna go maybe a minute or 2 minutes tops. Just keep an eye on it. So I'm gonna clear that, and I hit broil and start. Like I said, 2 minutes tops. You just want to get some brown on it, and then we're done. All right, so I've let it go for about 2.5 minutes. Just to, like I said, kind of crisp up the tops. In case you're wondering, I did check the internal temperature. It was 165, which is right on point. It was actually about 167. So I'm gonna let this rest for 1 minute, and we'll cut it up and serve it up. So I'm just gonna cut into it just so you see. It is super tender. And that is all there is to it. Look at that, that is nice and juicy. You can see a little bit of juice coming out. You know the drill, subscribe, share, like, comments down below. Let me know what you guys do with your chicken and what you'd like to see me do with chickens or any other recipe. Take care.